Public Programs and Services Division, or the PPSD, is one of the frontline divisions of the National Museum of the Philippines, fulfilling its mandate as an educational institution. Serving as the overall coordinating arm of the museum for its public programs and services nationwide, our division manages the museum's accessibility through its educational activities, events, and services. These functions are being carried out by two of our key sections, the Public Programs section and the Public Services section.
The Public Program section is in charge of managing the educational public program of the museum, from policy making, work processes, guidelines to target setting, budget distribution, review and screening, and monitoring and reporting. Also, we are in charge of the implementation of the institutional educational program like the museology training and museum volunteer program.
The Public Services section, on the other hand, caters to individuals who are interested with the extended services of the museum, such as venue rentals, location shoots, commercial shoots, and other relevant or similar requests.
Our division's drive to go above and beyond is deeply rooted in our personal and professional values. Ito yung A, adaptability, C, communication, and letter E, excellence. That is why we proudly call ourselves the ACE team. For us, giving our best is not only given dahil kami ay ino-audit or dahil may nakakakita sa atin. Ang pagiging best ay dapat way of life na araw-araw ginagawa kahit walang nakakakita. We see to it that every day dapat best ang binibigay namin. Kasi sabi nga, tomorrow is never promised.
To all fellow public servants, let us continue serving our communities with commitment, knowing that every act of service leaves a lasting impact on our nation. To the Filipino people, we hope you continue to place your trust and confidence in your civil servants as we continue to pledge to serve with integrity, dedication, and heart in public service by safeguarding and preserving our Filipino heritage for everyone to learn from and enjoy. Happy Civil Service Month!